So today we discuss why the software testing, for what reason the software is required to testing. So firstly, I want to discuss what is the main difference between the defects, bug, error or failure. Means whenever these are the reasons through which your software is your software may fails. So all the issues are look like similar in a manner, but there is a very big difference. Means whenever we just talk about the defects, bugs, error and failures, these all are we just in a impression that these all words are very similar, but it is not so. There are very big difference in between them. So defect, bug, error and failure, these are the reasons for software failure. Okay, and software fails, that's why a software testing process will be done parallelly with the software development. Okay, so first of all, testing is a process of identify defects, where a defect is any variance between actual and expected result. That a mistake in code is all called an error. So first of all, what is defect? So defect means what? We are going to develop any software for some specific purpose. Okay. There is some specific object for which we are going to develop the or computerize the particular application. So after the developing the software, first of all, it is very necessary that the result of the software is matched with the customer's expectation. Means whatever we are going, that result, that is the actual result, must be matched with the expected result. If there is a variation in between them, so that means that your software is defectful. Okay, so defect is what? Actually defect means any variance between the actual and the expected result. Okay, this is called a defect. Okay, now the variation between the actual result and the expected result is known as defect. If a developer finds an issue and corrects it by himself in the development phase, then it is called a defect. Means if one of the thing is skipped by at the time of development, and it is catched by the development team, so it can again revise or remove this. So this is called the defect. Okay. Now, of what is bug? If tester finds any mismatch in the application system in testing phase, then they called it as a bug. In a software testing, when the expected and actual behavior is not matching, an incident needs to be raised. It is a programmer's fault where a programmer intended to implement a certain behavior, but the code fails to correct conform to this behavior. Because of the incorrect implementation in coding, it is called a defect. So bug means what? If any of the particular point is mismatched or it is not considered at the time of development, that is called a bug. So defect is different, bग इज डिफरंट. म्हणजे इन जस्ट नॉर्मल एक मराठी लँग्वेज मध्ये इट इज कॉल्ड, आपण त्रुटी म्हणतो की नाही, दॅट इज कॉल्ड अ बग. For example, in a login module is tested by a tester, he enter valid email address and password, but it is still show warning invalid email address. Now tester reported that defect to developer and he accepted the defect issue is called a bug. See, means whenever in a login page you are going to give a correct login ID and password, still a warning is there that invalid email address. So such type of bug means this type of issue cannot be handled by the developer team, that a warning should be placed at the time of testing. So this type of warning is shown by the shown to the developer and he accepted that defect. This is called a bug. Means this bug is not a major. A simple warning may be there, so it will be neglected. So such type of thing is called a bug. Then what is an error? We cannot compile or run a program due to coding mistake in a program. If a developer unable to successfully compile or run the program, then they called it as an error. An error is a mistake, misconception, or misunderstanding on the part of software developer. In the category of developer, we include software engineers, programmers, analysts, and testers. So these are the person who can make any type of mistake at the time of coding. So that type of mistake is called an error, which we usually do in our programming experiment or programming laboratory session. So simple error means what? It is a syntactical or any program logic error is there. So that is called a error, which is also used or tested at the time of testing. For example, a developer may misunderstand design notation, or a program might have a variable name incorrectly, leads to an error. It is the one which is generated because of wrong login, loop, or due to syntax. So error normally arises in software. It leads to change the functionality of the program. Simple error means what? Either a syntactical error or any type of logical error, which can be done at the time of coding. And this can be whenever these errors are arises, so the programmer must change the functionality of the program. For example, one of the loop is incorrect, one of the variable name is incorrect, so this variable name is incorrect. So error is what? Ki undefined indefined variable is there, variable name is not matched. So kiva whatever be, suppose if you are going to divide by a zero, so it can again a type of error. So any type of logical error or any type of syntactical error is called as an error. So due to this error, the complete program behavior is changed. Hmm? And next is failure. So failure means what? Means first of all, there are defect in the programs, there are different types of bugs in the program, there are different types of error in the program. Okay. Now failure is what? Once the product is deployed and customers find any issue, then they call the product as a failure product. Means this failure can be catched at the time of end product. Means whenever your product is ready and it is launched, or it can be give to the customer, so at that time again it is checked. And if suppose there is some issues are arises, so that is called your system failure. After release, if an end user finds an issue, then that particular issue is called a failure. Means failure can be this bug, error, and defects are catched at the time of system development, but failure can be at the time of release of the software to the end user. And if end user can not satisfied with this software, or any type of small uh, expectation is not covered in our product, so at that time it is called a failure. So it is a condition that causes the software to fail to perform its required function. It is an inability of a system or component to perform required function according to its specification. Means prior to the development, a complete specification is collected by the customer, and accordingly our project will be developed. And at the time of release the product, your product must be fulfills all the specification of the customer. If it is so, then your software is okay, it is properly accepted. If it is not initiated, so it means that your software fails. For example, as per the software requirement specification, there is no need to develop the login page, but all requirements are not clear at the end of developer side, then they created the login pages. Means suppose requirement is in such a way that the particular customer wants such type of activity in the software. First of all, a login page must be there. Then after successful login, the proper first page, that is front page, is appears in front of the user. Then accordingly, if suppose the particular user can select the sales or purchase or buy options, then it will be go on that particular pages. So these all specification can be collected at the time of requirement phase, and our software can also generated or designed by in the same sequence as the customer required. If there is a not any particular step is not covered, so it can leads to the software failure. Okay, so these are the basic terms: defects, errors, bug, and failure. So these are the concept for which we are going to test our software. Okay, so see here in this diagram whether it is visible or not. Just so developer is there, tester is there, and customer is there. Okay, developer can found error or mistakes. Error means a programming logic error or syntactical error or any type of mistake. Mistake म्हणजे logical error and proper error means syntactical error. So these errors can be catched by the developer at the time of developing the system, and again it will be recovered. ठीक है? Without this, your program is not compiled at all. Tester. Tester can find the defect, bug, and fault. Tester cannot test the error or mistake because it is a programming logic error. Tester can find the defect, bug, and fault, and then accordingly it can try to remove it. And at last, customer is there who found the failure. Means whatever be the expectation of customer, if it does not match with your software, so this is called a failure. Okay, so this error, defect, bug, and failure, these are the reasons for which we are going to do the software. So these are the responsible persons who can catch these type of errors or this type of mistakes: developer, tester, and customer. Okay, got it? Any problem? Any problem?